Hello, my name is Scott Britton. I'm the president and CEO of MyIntelliSource Incorporated. This is part 3 of our 7-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask Android. In this section, I will cover setting up user permission and creating your first location in preparation for entering a task, job, or project resource. If you prefer to read this, I'll post a URL at the end of the video that you may download a PDF version of the guide. So let's get started. Once a user has completed the account creation process, you can take the final step, which is to set user permissions. So I'm already at the home screen for my primary user account. The first thing to do is open the navigation drawer and select Administration. Then click on the Users row. Finally, click on your newly created user account. This is an example of setting the user permissions. There are 7 areas in MyIntelliTask that you can set permission for. For example, if I select the drop-down for the project permissions, the none permission means a user cannot access this part of MyIntelliTask. The read permission means the user can view the resource but not make any changes. The read and insert permission allows a user to view and insert new data but not update it. The read, insert, and update permission allows the user to view and update data with the exception of deleting it. The last permission, read, insert, update, and delete, allows the user to fully access the data for that area of MyIntelliTask. The default permission for a newly created user account is none for all categories. For example, I will set the account I just created with all read permissions, giving the user the ability to view the data in each of the 7 areas of MyIntelliTask. The last thing I will note before moving on is that user permissions persist until A, either you change them, or B, you or the user cancels the account. The last thing I will cover in this section is setting up your first location. To accomplish setting up your first location, go back a screen, select the navigation drawer opener, and select Other. Then click on the row that says Select Locations. If you had already set up any locations, they would be listed on this screen. To create your first location, click the Enter New Location button in the upper part of the screen. You are forwarded to the new location entry screen. The only field required here is the location name, but you can enter the complete address of a location. I will pause the video for a moment and enter our company as a location for example. Welcome back. Now that I've entered our company as a location, click the Submit button in the upper part of the screen to save it. If all goes well, then I'll be forwarded back to the locations list screen where now you will see a row listed for our company. That ends part 3 of our 7-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask Android. In the next section, I will cover setting up teams. Thank you for watching part 3 of our series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask Android. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions how we can improve our software, please email me at the address listed at the end of the video. I truly appreciate you giving me the time to demonstrate MyIntelliTask. Take care and have a great day.